All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Jordan Porter of Q, and he's going to show us these new silencers that they've got. So what are we looking at?
Yeah, so this is our first entry into the reduced back pressure market. So this is the Lefty. Our goal with this silencer was to be shorter, lighter, quieter, and potentially cheaper than all the flow-through silencers on the market in the size comparison. So we 3D print the core and then machine the tube and weld it together. This silencer performs phenomenal on flash. Sounds great for being the size of can that it is. And I'm super excited for you guys to see it.
Very cool. All right, and what else we got?
So you guys are probably already familiar with our Trash Panda and Thunder Chicken silencers. Those are our staples in our line. Our next iteration of silencers, 30 cal cans, is the Speakeasy and Blind Tiger. So these are our next offering of 30 cal cans. The cool thing about these cans is this can is about the size of the Trash Panda, but actually meters quieter than the Thunder Chicken size can, which is awesome. And this size can is comparison to like the Thunder Chicken, which is quieter than the Full Nelson, which the Full Nelson is probably one of the quietest cans Q's ever shipped to date. So we're super excited about these silencers. Our next iteration of stainless steel cans. Can't wait for you guys to see them.
Very cool. All right, anything else? What else we got?
And then the Southpaw. So the Southpaw is our traditional 5.56 silencer. It's probably the silencer I would choose, but very much on brand with Q. Super lightweight, compact, and quiet. You get an Inconel blast spout full of Inconel end cap. You'll never outshoot this silencer.
And why would you choose this one?
This, so like, reduced back pressure cans are typically a little bit louder, but you get less gas in your face for the guys that want to shoot matches or, do carbine classes. Like this can is legit quiet. Like this is the can that like when I shoot my AR or with my homies, like this is the can I would want to use. Just because it's so quiet.
And again, this is called the
Southpaw.
The Southpaw. Very cool. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, Jordan.
Yes, sir.
We're at the Q booth at SHOT Show, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.